Never had a bitch like me in your life. You never had a bitch like me in your life.
High volume. High volume.
Never had a bitch like me in your life. You never had a bitch like me in your life.
So it is time to dye my hair black. As you can see, I'm starting to see some brown, a lot of brown, and I don't really like it. So yeah, this time I'm gonna use this Natural Instincts. I'm supposed to be vegan and now natural and all that good stuff. So I got number 2. Here's the instructions. Pretty simple.
When you see you know it's on me. When you see you know it's on me. When you see you know that.
Baby, when we gon' stop? Baby, when we gon' stop? Let me catch your vibe. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind. Yeah, it's easy.
On me, on me, on me. When you see on me. When you walk by that walks on me, that talks on me. On me, on me, on me, on me. When you see on me. When you walk by that walks on me, that
High
talks
volume.
on
High
me.
volume.
Never had a moment where I ever questioned you. You already know that. I ain't never stressed with you. Love me and you own that. That's why I'm so impressed with you. Blessed with you. If you ever know.
I am on my way to have dinner for my mom. Why can't I even talk? Like, I'm on my way to this winery / restaurant for my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. I love you. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. I forgot to show y'all the fit, so I'll show y'all probably afterwards. But your girl, I remember when I first got this dress from Shein, I could not get into it. Maybe do I still have the clip? If I still have the clip, I'll insert it in here. But I could not fit this dress. Like, I could not zip it up. But now it's zipped up. I mean, I'm still like, you know, I'm not gonna say it. But yeah.
Where you going? Yes, sir.
Are you good to start with a little bubbly rosé?
Right. Yeah.
Say hey to my YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Wine tasting. I'm the big sister.
I'm the big sister.
You're welcome.
Bathroom break.
No, we just changed before we got here.
Not too welcome. Yay! Make a wish.
You wish me. Oh, let me get a please.
Rich Rising. It is Tuesday. I just got me a matcha. It's just something about matcha, like, Anyway, so I am working on t-shirts and mugs and hoodies and bags for the event on Saturday. And I'm gonna go to the gym and then come back home and continue working. But yeah, that's about it. I don't really have nothing crazy going on today. Just getting prepared for this weekend's festivities. I'm so excited to see my sister, first of all, because she lives in Georgia, so it's gonna be a whole family reunion. But yeah, so see you later. Eat that ass up. We working.
You want a big time?
I don't get none of that. I get what's over there. Rich Rising. I am on my way to get my hair done. It has been like, I feel like almost a year since I got my hair done like professionally. I've just been doing it myself. So I'm really excited. And y'all, my lock anniversary is the 22nd, I believe. And like, it's been 3 years. Isn't that crazy? Yo, it's literally so crazy how time flies. Like, it literally just flies by. Like, 3 years already. Anyways, let me pay attention to this road. I will see you at the appointments. Okay, this is cute. Okay, this is cute. Alright, let me vlog because it's so cute in here actually. This is such a great idea to have like a, hey, don't be shy. Got the rental. Now I gotta go pack and load the car up. Oh my gosh. I can't even do this while, hold on. Let me tell y'all.
I can't go for that.
Oh my god. How was it?
That shit is
nasty. Like, no.
Oh my God.
We are about to be on our way to Georgia. Finally.
At 3 o'clock in the morning.
What time is it? 6 o'clock, pretty much.
What? I ain't bit that
So,
taste
yeah.
out my mouth. That shit is nasty.
It is not nasty. What you need?
Some teleport. Because I'm a teleport junkie.
Yeah. It's the lots for me.
I really want some champagne.
What?
What they do?
Girl, don't do it.
Stay loose, they talking gangsta shit, but I'm the bitch. Whatever she want. CC Gucci, Hippo, take her whatever she want.
What is these people doing up at this time?
Come on, bro. We is all grown around here.
Mr. Purple Friendo. Why did you need that?
What do you mean?
Why did you need that?
Well, and I need it.
This store is huge. Okay, guys, we are on our way to the Locked-In Meetup.
LocdInmeetup.
It's the shirts for me. Let's go. Okay, I need the address actually.
You gonna put it on there?
I sent it to you in our message, right?
Mobile and they know that. Logo on my flow mat. Courtside Chamberlain, throw the
Latest love.
wearing cameras, that was under covers. Under pressure, man.
You wanna hit your joint? Nigga, I'm smoking zombies.
Are we here? Oh. Oh, we in nature.
I can get lost in the woods and go meditate somewhere.
Don't get lost now. Look, come looking for you.
Get lost in there.
Oh, it's bumpy. Shit, finna be lit. Cheese. Cheese. For sale. It's the locks for me. Okay. Oh, that macaroni. Oh, baby. Let's taste it. That shit look good. Oh my God. Go shop. She can't even stop eating. What is it? It knows you.
Yeah, he's good. He's chill.
So what do I do? What's in that jug?
Nickel.
I know that's
I
right.
got my salt water right here too.
Wow. Very innovative. I like that. It's licking.
It's good.
Oh my God. Come
You know,
on.
it's like this.
Cousin. Which one?
Both of them. You can just do
Look,
both
look,
of them.
look, look.
Look.
Look. He's chilling. Look, he didn't even move. Yo, that is really a chill snake. He didn't even move. He loves me.
You gotta get you one.
What kind is this?
Ball python. Ball pythons don't climb. They're more chill and laid back. You get a boa, they're more of a climber,
Then I
moving
gotta feed
around.
him. Like,
You feed them like once a month. Yes. Once a month, every week, every
You can
2
have
weeks.
JJ do it. Just drop the little rat in there. Yeah.
It's not high maintenance.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days.